Welcome to Aerial Tree Service, LLC. Aerial Tree Service, LLC is a locally owned and operated business, proudly serving our community for over 10 years. With a decade of experience, we specialize in professional tree care, including trimming, removal, and maintenance, ensuring the health and safety of your landscape. At Aerial Tree Service, LLC, we offer expert tree care services designed to maintain the safety, health, and beauty of your property. From routine maintenance to urgent removals, we handle it all with precision and care. We're here 24/7 for all your tree trimming, removal, and emergency needs.